Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create AI video in PixVerse. So that's actually so easy to be done, and you just need a few steps. So I want you to go first into the app.pixverse.ai. Alright, so you will be on home page, and after that what I want you to go to is create right here and click on it on the left side, of course. Click on it, and once you are here I want you to go into the normal. Alright, and not the off peak, so I prefer the normal. And right here you can choose the model from here if you want it, the version 4.5, 4 or 3.5, and we all love the last version, so it's offer you the highest quality video generation and some other better stuffs. So right here, and the second option we have duration. It's whether you want the video to be at 5 seconds or on 8 seconds. So we all prefer the 8 seconds. Alright, and right here the resolution. So if you want to upgrade the resolution from 360 to 1080, or the other resolutions, you need to subscribe, as you can see right here. So the ratio right here is the angles of your video, and for example, if you want to post that video on YouTube, you can just say with that one or even that one. This one is for Facebook and YouTube also. If you want to post it on Reels or stories, etc., on TikTok or even Instagram, you need to go with this too. Alright, and right here the camera. So the AI that you will generate will look like the video is taken by camera. Alright, and here if you tap on or if you toggle on the auto sounds, you need to type the sound that you want it to be on the video, and also the auto speech that you want. For example, we can type hi in this tutorial, and it will be of course on the these speech that you will type right here will be on the video of the AI. Alright, and you can also choose the style, either the anime, 3D animation, comic, or cyberpunk, like the cyberpunk game, or clay. Anyways, this is the most important things to create a video on or an AI video on PixVerse.ai. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.